Keri, do you have any tips for our snackers, myself included?
Okay, well, when it comes to snacking, what do we really want? Usually salty, crunchy things, but usually those salty, crunchy things that come in a package are loaded with unhealthy fats and sodium, and they're actually made in a way that manufacturers actually want you to become addicted to them. They want you to eat more. So I love making beet chips. I have an example right here. And then also roasted broccoli, I call burnt broccoli. So these are just whole real vegetables, but you're getting the salty, crunchy flavor. But it's all, again, all whole real foods. And beets in particular, I love because they're high in nitrates, and that is linked to lowering blood pressure.
And when you talk about those crunchy vegetables, I tell people all the time that studies have shown that when you have crunchy foods, it actually is an appetite suppressant. We don't know why, but the crunch helps suppress your appetite. So I think that's a big deal. And you know what? We have a breakfast, we have lunch, and so you know we have to have our dinner. So what you got on the menu for us?
Gotta have dinner. And when it comes to dinner, just like soup is great for lunch, when it comes to dinner, everybody loves, when it comes to comfort, potatoes and cheese, right? Potatoes in any form. So here, this is one of my favorites. I have a baked stuffed sweet potato. What I love about this is that it's portion control automatically, right? So you're getting that sweet potato, you're getting more vitamin A and more vitamin C than in a regular potato, a white potato, which we know is so important for our immune health. So I love that. And then I have organic chicken sausage. So you're also getting that protein. So again, I know you like that protein fiber combo. Now you're getting in the protein from the chicken. And then I also have sauteed onions and peppers for more fiber and antioxidants. And then on top, I sprinkle just a little bit of nutritional yeast, which many vegans like as a substitute for Parmesan cheese. It's high in vitamins and B vitamins, including B12. And obviously this isn't vegan. We've got organic sausage in here. But I wanted to show you that you don't always have to use cheese. You can use nutritional yeast just because, you know, you're having the other animal protein. So it's a great way to combine different types of foods. And it's so satisfying.
Keri Glassman, it's always great to have you on the show, and you always find a way to even make our comfort foods even healthier, so we appreciate that.
Thank you for having me.
All right. And for more information about what you've heard today, just go to our website. You know it. It's thedoctorstv.com. We're living in uncertain times. It's tough to keep up with the latest medical headlines.
About the market, panic about COVID.
And how do those headlines impact you and your family?
100,000 people died.
On season 13 of The Doctors, we want to empower you physically.
If I met them at dance, they would meet me at medicine.
Man, I love that. Emotionally.
If I can change my thoughts, I can change my feelings.
And medically.
He doesn't have his mask up, which is not a good thing.
This is the $1 million question, maybe the $1 trillion question. This is so critical for people to hear. We're giving you the inside track on health and wellness so that you can get back to the life you deserve. It's time to take back your power. The Doctors, now more than ever. Premieres September 21st.